Hi friends, in this topic we will discuss about the landforms of Andhra Pradesh. Learning outcomes in this topic are understand the meaning of landforms, understand about the different landforms where the people are living, understand the diversified lifestyles of the people of different landforms, and how many landforms are there in Andhra Pradesh. Major landforms of Andhra Pradesh are mountain or hills, plains and plateaus. The best example for hills are Madakasira Hills, Penukonda Hills, Nilagiri Hills, Nallamala Hills, like that. And the best example for plains are East Coastal Plains, and the best example for plateaus are the Deccan Plateau is the best example for plateaus. What is relief of the region? It means the shapes of the surface of the earth. In other words, we call it as landforms. The lifestyle, food habits and dressing patterns are different according to the region. How do you identify the region? That where is your town or village located? Is it located on a plain land or elevated land or highly elevated land or nearby water body? When you answer these questions, you may recollect your area location, that is located in a plain land or elevated land or highly elevated or nearby water body. What is mountain or hill? A mountain or hill is a natural higher elevated feature of the earth surface. India has several huge mountain ranges like Himalayas, Aravalli and Vindhya Satpura mountains. In Andhra Pradesh state, majority of high landforms are hills. The best examples for hills are Yarada and Anantagiri hills in Visakhapatnam, Bison Hills and Papikondalu in East and West Godavari districts, Mogal Rajapuram and Kondapalli Hills in Krishna district, Beram Konda, Nagarjuna Konda and Kotapakonda in Gunturu district, Velikondalu in Nellore district, Nallamala and Erramala Hills in Karnoolu districts, Veligondalu and Palakondalu in YSR Kadapa district, Horsley Hills in Chitturu district, Penukonda and Madakasira Hills in Anantapuram district, Araku Valley, Borra Caves of Visakhapatnam district and Papikondalu of East and West Godavari districts are the famous tourist places in these landforms. Do you know about Lambasingi? Lambasingi or Lammasingi, the interior tribal hamlet in Chintapalli Mandal of Visakhapatnam agency, has recorded single digit temperature in the winter. It is also known as Kashmir of Andhra Pradesh. Podu cultivation is an ancient tribal agricultural practice in the hilly regions. It is also called shifting or zooming cultivation. In this method, the clear a patch of forest land and use it to grow crops for a few years and later shift to some other place due to decrease in soil fertility. They cultivate jowar, maize, etc. in this method. but now it is not in practice. There are no rivers or wells in these hilly areas. It is very difficult to dig wells in the rocky hills. Government has providing facilities for the people living in hills. Araku coffee is world famous now. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.